Huntrix and Saja Boys are moving in. Huntrix got lucky today. Let's start with them. For the floor, I picked pink parquet. I'll need some glue. Yes, perfect fit. Now onto the walls.
Wow.
So soft to the touch. Let's fix it on the wall. Something's missing. Oh, right, I know. Ta-da! The Huntrix logo. Whoa, that's awesome!
Wow.
A pom-pom sign.
Amazing. I like it.
So soft and fluffy. We've got the best room ever. Yeah. The boys will be so jealous. Huh? They're doing a glam makeover?
What?
And we've got nothing. Time to get to work.
Let's go.
Okay, Ginu, I'll help you out. What kind of floor do you want? What's with all these girly colors? Okay, challenge accepted. The floor is lava. This print looks awesome. Want a life hack for glittery walls? Glitter plus white glue. Mix it well and brush it on the wall. Brush, brush, brush. Lollacadabra. Now let's add a printed brick wall texture. Wow, epic makeover.
That's nice.
Where do we hang our skateboards? I'll need some hooks for that. I'll grab one, add some hot glue, and stick it on the wall. Abby, Ginu, baby, let me help you out. Ta-da! Nice, that's perfect. I've got to fix cooling islands. The decor's still missing. Let's prep a lightning bolt design. First, tape it over the picture. Perfect. Where's my cutter? Carefully cutting it out. Just look how cool that is. Saja Boys, everyone gather up. Did you call us?
Oh.
Jump, boys.
Yeah, come on.
Whoa, there's even a crow. We got the coolest room ever.
Yippee!
High five, everyone. Ours is way better than Huntrix's. Let's go see what they're up to.
Yes!
Yeah, shh, quiet though. Some flowers here would be nice. What? Are you spying on us? Our room's way cooler. Wow, what a huge candy. Let's unwrap it. Oh, just some sponges. That's fine, perfect for crafting. I'll glue them together. Good thing the hot glue sets fast. A backrest from a sponge too? Well, that's way too simple. Huntrix love everything fluffy. I'll wrap them with felting wool. 1, 2, 3. Cute pillow, made with love. The upholstery's wool too. I'll place the pink couch in the corner. Let's throw down a rug. A soft flower pot for decoration. Add a little coffee table. The girls' favorite drinks. Wow, we've got a couch! Let's jump and see who gets higher. Awesome, time to chill.
Shoo.
This couch is so squishy. Want to watch something? Get comfy. Yay, a new episode!
Thank you very much.
What's that, a couch? Wow!
Oh my gosh!
Hey, let me chill there too. Girls zone only. Roomy, come on, scoot over. Who lost a sock? Let's find some stuffing. Sand's easy to get. Roll some cardboard and tape the edge. Snip off the tip. How's that for a life hack? Now fill the bags. I've got hair ties. A few twists, and they're nice and tight. The Saja Boys are gonna love their sock poofs. Super duper comfy. Take a seat, Ginu. Sweet. Hey, Abby. I'm here. Baby. Already got my spot. Wanna play? Grab your controllers. Bet I'll beat you again. Get ready to lose. Wait, we don't even have a PlayStation. I've got an idea. Let's make a projector. Just hang up a white cloth. I'll need some push pins. Add a little stand. Everything we need goes right here. May the best player win. Epic battle incoming. Genu or Abby? The finish line's right there. Yay! Victory! We did it! That's the spirit. Great job, everyone. Another round?
Yes!
How's Huntrix doing, I wonder?
Ooh!
Girls, don't you think this wall looks kinda empty? I've got an idea. Ta-da! Your very own painting. So, better now? Why is it black and white? We want color. You can color it yourselves. Grab the markers. Let's get to work.
Let's go.
Almost done. Me too. I love coloring images. Wow, so pretty. Looks like a magazine cover. This wall could use some decor too.
Yay!
Let's craft a garland. I'll wrap yarn around a template. Now I'll cut it. Tie a knot. Trim the ends. Fluffy garland done. A starry sky from foam sheets. Such a cozy and cute room.
Wow!
Thank you, we love it.
Woo!
Whoa, what's happening?
What?
An earthquake?
Oh my gosh!
Nope, it's the Saja Boys climbing to the second floor. Hey, girls.
Wow!
What are you doing up here? Fixing up our new room.
Oh! Nice!
Time to paint the walls. Let's see. Got it. Silver's trending right now.
Yippee!
Looks awesome, but we still need a floor. Genu, watch out! Let's set up a K-pop idol stage. I'll decorate the background with logos and themed stickers. Electric guitar, power mode on. Let's hang the instruments on the wall. Wow, perfect spot for performances.
Yes.
A real stage.
Wow!
Can't wait to rehearse here. There are guitars too!
Let's go!
Got this feeling in my chest. Heart is beating, can't take rest.
Bass guitar, bring the heat.
Feel so free, this is me.
Can you help me set everything up?
Okay.
Of course. Shall we start with foam sheets? Raspberry glitter. And next to it, a softer shade. My favorite color. From ceiling to floor. Let's add a few fancy details. Drums for Zoe. And a keyboard for Mira. I'll glue a pom-pom hook. Hang it higher. That's the guitar spot. A soft poof for the audience. Let's decorate the wall with stickers and CDs. We brought a microphone. Thanks, girls. Let's put it center stage. Step right here. 1, 2, 3. Go, Zoe! Woo! Yippee!
Let's go.
I'll cut it in half. The bottom won't be needed. I'll make thin strips. The thinner they are, the puffier it'll look. Let's glue pom-poms to the ends. Voila! Add LED lights. It works! I'll glue a colorful cord to the bottleneck. Wrap the base with chenille wire. How do you like this chandelier? It'll make the room shine even brighter. Wow, it's gorgeous!
Wow!
You're a genius.
Thank you.
These pom-poms are so soft. Craft time with CDs. First, I'll cut them into tiny pieces. I'll need a ball, too. Cover it with glue. Looks just like a mosaic. Phew, last piece. Grab a string. Perfect length. Pin the ribbon to hold it. Boom! Somebody's ready for a party! Garland for a cozy vibe. Ginu, are you ready?
Yes!
Hey, girls.
Hi.
Ginu, why so dressed up? Inviting you to our party.
Good.
The boys worked so hard. Hey, Abby.
Hi.
Baby, you're here too.
Uh-huh.
Could it be both bands on one stage? Want to be my partner?
I've
Yes!
been hiding in the silence for so long. I thought this
Peace,
might last,
peace.
but your presence makes me question all.
Leave a like if you love the Huntrix house. Or subscribe if you're more of a Saja Boys fan.
Yes.
Today we made a fluffy lounge zone, a gaming corner, a cozy rehearsal room, a concert stage, a glowing chandelier, a sparkling disco ball, and posters for both Huntrix and Saja Boys. Which craft was your favorite? Tell us in the comments.